Hello, friends. You might have read different books of Vedic maths, but this book is totally unique because in this book, I have compiled some interesting concepts of Vedic maths which can be easily understood with the help of concept sheets, worksheets, quizzes, and videos. So, let's have a look at the book and see what is there in the book. This is my book, an interactive book of Vedic maths. When you open this book, you will see all the contents of the book. You can see these chapters here, and when you will open the book, you will see different chapters, and in the chapters, you will be able to see the concept sheets, the pictures, the images, and the another very interesting thing here is that you can click on the videos and then the video will start. And when you click on this worksheet icon, you will see that the worksheet will open. You can see that you can do the worksheet also after doing the practice of this. And now when you click on the quiz link, there will be a quiz for you with which you can practice the concept. You can easily do all the questions and you can easily understand the concepts with the help of this quiz also. Plus, there are other some magical shortcuts and many other interesting facts in this book. So you can see it here that I have compiled many things in this one book only. So you can see that this book is all in one book. So you will get all the things which can be taken for your each topic and each chapter. So if you want the full access of the book, please write your email ID in the comment section. So give your email ID to get the full access of this book. So if you want to learn Vedic maths in a simple and easy and interesting way, quickly write your email ID. I will love to give you the access of this interesting and interactive Vedic maths. Thank you everyone.